showed up and showed out tonight. I know I'm missing something somewhere, but yeah, pretty good looking rides. No doubt everybody's got the same idea as I do. Get pictures, videos, something. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Fiero, I ain't seen one of them in a long time. Lower down F100. Little hot rod garage. Yeah, we got the biker boys out tonight. Pretty cool though, they all hanging out and being cool with each other. Yeah, great, another great week, another great turnout at the Daggum Car Show. Cruise in, come on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for all you do. God bless you.